So welcome back everyone, Mike here. It is an absolutely beautiful evening here tonight. All the rain's gone, all the humidity's gone, all the heat is gone, and what we're left with is perfectly clear skies and cool temperatures. So earlier today, it was sometime this afternoon, Tom from Concrete with the Hauses called me, and he said they were just finishing up a job, and if I was ready, they could come over here and get this formed up and pour this tomorrow morning. Problem was, I really wasn't ready because I wasn't expecting them for a week or two, but I said, yeah, come on over. It's not on grade, it's not all ready. And he said, no problem at all, we'll get it all taken care of. So they came over this afternoon, and Tom and his son Tom and myself got this all ready to go. They'll be here tomorrow morning about 10 a.m. to pour this pad for the firewood bin. So if you don't know what I'm talking about here, this is a 24 by 24 pad, and we'll put those big concrete blocks on it. There'll be 4-foot high sides, 3-sided, and it should hold, I'm guessing now, 15, 16 cords of firewood, dumped right into it with the conveyor. Now I am going to have to kind of cut this all down a little bit. This whole thing slopes this way just a little bit and that way just a little bit. So all the water goes out the low end of it. Should work out pretty good. I do have some more work to do down here, but like I said, they won't be here till 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, and it is such a beautiful evening right now. Melissa and I, we're going to go for a ride in the Jeep. We took the tops off today. Beautiful night to go for a drive, so we're going to go down to a town that's not far from us, and I'm telling you, this place has it figured out. So Melissa should be out any second, and we'll be leaving, but by the way, she did a video on her channel on how to take the top off this Jeep. This is a 2021 Rubicon, and she did everything herself, but I did help her lift the top off the back. It's pretty heavy, but the two of us could handle it, no trouble at all. We normally don't do that much just because we never had a place to put it, but since we have the building there, we just set it inside. We'll probably keep it off the next 4 or 5 days. The weather looks good, and if it's going to rain, we can just pull this in the garage. All right, Melissa's a little cold already, aren't you?
I'm prepared to turn on my heated seats.
Yeah. So this town that we're going to visit tonight, it's called Zillionople. Zilly. I've mentioned this place before. Now, since sometime last year, they started having this open air Thursday night thing. And the turnout is just phenomenal. It's a great way to support small businesses in the area. And it's a nice night for it, so we figured we'd take a ride down here, show our support to some of the businesses, maybe pick up a few things or get something to eat. But it's really nice what they do. All right, we had a nice time here this evening, just being out and about, walking around. I ran into a bunch of people we know. Actually met a few subscribers to the channel. Yeah. And it's kind of surprising. People that, we knew years ago that you just hadn't seen for a while come up and talk about watching all the videos, yeah, which is really cool. It was it is cool. Nice evening, though. Just a beautiful evening. You cannot beat this weather right now compared to the way it's been.
No humidity.
Oh, it's been so hot, and then either hot, sticky, and rainy, or it's just absolutely beautiful out tonight. All right, just got back to the house. It's getting pretty dark right now, but I figured I would move a little bit more of this dirt here. All I'm doing with this is taking it down over this bank here. I've got like a little trail going down to this lower level, and I want to take some of the steepness out of it, and plus I need to get rid of some of this dirt. But yeah, we had a nice time down there tonight. Just run down there for an hour or so. Pretty cool. it may be too dark for you to even see what I'm doing, so it might be a good time to wrap this video up. So like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, share them with your friends. Thanks.